You know, earlier this week, before the Supreme Court handed down those two monumental decisions, I had the chance to visit with Governor Glenn Youngkin, get a slice of his life and his perspective on major policy issues impacting his state and the country. We learned more about where he came from and just how far he wants to go with his political career. Here's part one of my exclusive interview. It was all access with the very tall governor. So when I walked up here, all I see is history. And when the CRT, they bring up, whoa, this is just an accurate depiction of history. A lot of people look at Virginia and say the most important Americans, arguably, are Washington, Jefferson, Madison, Monroe, all had slaves. And they say, well, the African-American community feel excluded when they see statues like that. How does the governor of Virginia look at our past and govern in the present?
Well, we first have to recognize that we're imperfect men. I mean, imperfect men striving to create a more perfect union. And slavery was an abomination. I mean, we know that. It's a blight on our history, and we must recognize that. I think we need to teach all of our history, the good and the bad. We also need to recognize that America is a nation that is constantly improving itself based on the frameworks that these great founders gave us. America's best days are ahead of us, and we have to strive together to continue to make it a more perfect union.
Do you think that means taking down Confederate statues but leaving up founding fathers because Confederates fought to keep slavery intact?
My primary objective is to bring people together around a path forward where our best days are in front of us, and to recognize that we do much better when we set an objective and then we work together to get it. And
we remember Charlottesville.
When we fight,
right?
we don't have good outcomes. And when we're together, we do. And that's what's happened this first 5 months, is Virginians have come together in an extraordinary way around a vision for low taxes and great schools and safe communities and holding up our constitutional rights in order to make sure that Virginians enjoy the freedom that we should be able to enjoy.
You got one body that's Democrat, another one that's Republican. Every time a Republican goes to make a deal, they're rhinos, and that could be the death to a political career. How do you keep your conservative principles yet compromise and accomplish things?
Well, I don't feel like I've had to step away from my conservative principles at all. And in fact, what I've been able to do is communicate them better and bring people together around these common sense solutions to real problems. When we needed votes in order to empower parents to take masks off children, if that was a decision that they wanted to make, then we had a few Democrats come with us and say that's the right thing to do. When there are sexually explicit materials in school and we want parents to be able to know that and to choose not to have that in their kids' curriculum, we had Democrats come with us to do it. Common sense solutions prevail, and our kitchen table conservative values are not just for Republicans, they're for all Virginians.
You also have some woke DAs within this state of Virginia. And we're seeing some of the ramifications of that in San Francisco, seeing it in Los Angeles, seeing it in Chicago, seeing it in Philadelphia, certainly see it in New York City.
This is the third shooting to happen at the mall since 2019.
Are you helpless to do anything?
Well, the short answer is we are not helpless to do anything because we're at a 20-year high murder rate in Virginia. And this is a result of these left liberal policies that went awry, where we depleted the resources of police and we demeaned them, and we saw Commonwealth's attorneys not prosecute. And so we are working across the state in order to bring more resources, $400 million of incremental funding. And oh, by the way, our Attorney General is absolutely working hard to make sure that when we have to prosecute, we will.
Right. You have to go sign a budget.
I do.
And we're going to go to a supermarket to do that?
We are.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. My name's Glenn Youngkin.
Thank you for
Nice to see you.
K-12.
Perfect. Brian, I'm doing all the work, I think. Okay, this one's scannable.
Where do you stand on guns? It's a very pro-gun state, and now we're talking about federal legislation and red flag laws that will give money and incentive for states like yours to have red flag laws.
I'm a staunch defender of our Second Amendment. And I think what's happened is politics has crept into this issue. It doesn't mean that we shouldn't have a discussion about how we keep our kids safe in school, which is why we went to work right away. I brought our Secretary of Education, I brought our Secretary of Public Safety, our Secretary of Health and Human Resources together literally the next morning. We immediately pushed harder to get in our budget funding for school resource officers so every school can have one. We signed a bill that said that every school is going to have a safety audit prepared with law enforcement in order to keep kids safe.
I know also you have Supreme Court justices in Virginia. They live here. There's protests in front of their houses. Do you think you should have done more to help protect them and push these people back? Are you allowed to as governor?
Well, I did everything that legally I can do. We in fact see a federal statute that enables, with the Attorney General of the United States enforcing his own laws, to arrest people for parading and picketing in front of a judge's house and trying to influence their opinions. And he didn't enforce the law. That's why Governor Hogan and I absolutely begged him, please enforce the law. We, meanwhile, put substantial resources at the ready around the corner from the justices' homes.
You worried about it?
And I worry about them. I speak to them frequently. And
the Supreme Court justice?
I do. They live here in Virginia. I work.
Are they worried?
I work for them. I will tell you, they so appreciate the work from our local law enforcement and our state police and the federal resources that are working to keep them safe. After the murder attempt on Justice Kavanaugh, their concerns were elevated. And we were already at a heightened degree of alertness, and we stayed there. I get a brief every morning, on the status of our justices, and I'm going to make sure that we do everything that we can do in order to keep them safe. This is of paramount importance to me.
Governor, I only had half of your day, and I don't know how you do it. Thanks so much for your time and your insight.
Thank you.
So we'll have more from Governor Youngkin. It was nice of him to bring us through at least half of his day. It is extremely busy. Hi, everyone. I'm Brian Kilmeade. I want you to do me a favor. I want you to click to subscribe to the Fox News YouTube page. This is the only way that I know for sure that you're not going to miss any great commentary, any great news bites, any great interviews coming your way on Fox. You can get it all here on YouTube. So subscribe right now.